welcome to today's news update from Indonesia. I'm Muhammad Nafrata Hakim, and here's the top story for today. Mount Lewotobi in East Flores, East Nusa Tenggara, has been placed under the highest volcanic alert level 6 or AWAS. Or don't go. Let's dive into what's happening means for residents and how the government is responding to the potential eruption. First, Mount Lewotobi is a twin volcano consisting of two main cones, Lewotobi the male volcano and Lewotobi the female volcano. These volcanoes are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a highly active seismic zone that surrounds the Pacific Ocean and includes hundreds of volcanoes across Southeast Asia. This decision was made after several signs of escalating volcanic activity. Scientists recorded continuous tremors, frequent earthquakes, thick smoke emission, and crucially, signs of magma rising beneath surface, a clear indication that an eruption could happen at any time. The alert status means that an eruption is either imminent or already occurring. Authorities are now urging all residents living within a 3 to 5 kilometer radius of the volcano to evacuate immediately. The Indonesian Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation (PVMBG) also warned that pyroclastic flows, which are fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic matter, will sweep down the slopes with little to no warning. Ashfall will also disrupt flight, agriculture, and visibility. Community impact. So far, hundreds of residents from nearby villages have been evacuated to temporary shelters set up by local authorities. The Indonesian National Board for Disaster Management, or BNPB, has been coordinating with the military, police, and health service to distribute emergency aid. Shelters are being stocked with essential supplies such as drinking water, blankets, instant food, medical kits, face masks to protect from ash. Meanwhile, schools in the region have been temporarily closed and public transport routes have been adjusted to avoid danger zone. Farmers have been warned not to return to the area until it's declared safe. Now, government and scientific response. Volcanologists are working around the clock monitoring real-time data from seismographs, drones, and satellite imagery. Indonesian meteorology, climatology, and geophysics agency (PMKG) has also been broadcasting warnings via radio and text alert. Here's a statement from a geological agency's spokesperson. We urge the public to remain calm, but do not underestimate the risks. Follow official evacuation routes, avoid the exclusion zone, and report any suspicious volcanic activity to local authorities. Emergency services are also preparing for worst-case scenario, including lava flows, lahar, volcanic mud, and landslides, which often follow eruption in the mountainous areas with heavy rain. Why this matters? Indonesia is home to over 120 active volcanoes, more than any other country in the world. While eruptions are common, every event brings risks, especially to people living in rural, mountainous areas who may have limited access to information or evacuation transport. The situation at Mount Lewotobi is being much closely not just in Indonesia, but by geologists around the world. If a major eruption occurs, it could be affect air travel, local economies, and climate patterns in the region, even temporarily. Final note, as of now, no casualties have been reported, but still, the conclusion is watch out, don't go towards the danger zone because there, there is a chance, a high risk for the mountain to be erupted, and just go to the safe zone. Don't go 3 to 5 kilometer radius of the volcano. So evacuate immediately if you go to 3 or to 5 kilometers radius of volcano. And I think that's all that I could say. If there is something wrong, I'm sorry. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.